So this is me expanding two simple brackets. I'm going to rewrite the question and use a little bit of colour just to help see some of the steps in the process. So I'm going to start with my x plus 6 in blue and my x minus 5 in black. Okay, hopefully this helps you to see where the numbers are. So the first thing I need to think about is that every term in the first bracket must multiply every term in the second bracket. So I break up my first bracket into two pieces. Okay, so I'm going to break part of it here and then I'm going to move some of it over there. So I'm going to start with my x and I'm going to multiply that by everything in the black bracket. So x minus 5. Okay, then I'm going to use my plus 6. So I'm going to put that over here a little bit out of the way. And I'm also going to multiply that by x minus 5. Okay. So I've just sort of broken it into two pieces because I know how to multiply this really well. I know how to multiply this really well. So, beg your pardon, I haven't put an equal sign in. So I'm going to make sure I've put that. Then I'm going to look at the next line. So here I'm thinking this outside x needs to multiply my inside first x. So x times x will make x squared. Okay? X now needs to multiply my negative 5. So x times negative 5 is negative 5x. Now I get to look at my next bracket. So, because all of this is together, I've just spread it out to help my brain. Positive 6 times x is positive 6x. Sorry, I didn't use a little arrow to show you what I was thinking there. Next of all, positive 6 needs to multiply negative 5. So positive times a negative will be negative. 6 times 5 is 30. I'm almost there. My last job is to look for any like terms. Like terms have the same variable or letter to the same power. So x squared doesn't have any buddies. Negative 5x and positive 6x are like. They're like mates. They've got the same dress code. Okay, so they are like terms. And negative 30 doesn't have any mates. There's no other plain numbers without anything else. So we'll keep our x squared, we'll keep our negative 30, and all we need to do is make this a little bit simpler. Now, sometimes people get a bit muddled up because we've been doing multiplying and now we're going to do an add. So let's just draw a number line for a second. Here's 0. Okay, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is negative 5. Okay, and I'm going to add 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've ended up at 1x. Okay, so we're at positive 1x. But of course we know that the most simple way of writing that is by taking out that 1. Okay, so we should have x squared plus x minus 30. All right. Now you might find you don't need to write it here and then fix it. You might just know that you can get rid of it there. All right. Good job.